Hi everyone. In previous video, we have tried to list listing ports on your atomer molecule, but during that time we haven't seen the shared web server port that is not listed. So if I just review the previous video, so we are just trying to do an socket statistics, which is identifying all the listening ports on your runtime. So you can use this command ss-t1lp, which that ideally lists all the ports that are related to TCP UDP. And if you just do a simple grep, and you can identify all your listening ports here. So if you see this 7800 is your unicast TCP communication that is going to happen between the molecule nodes. 61717 is the queue shared observer listener, but 9090 port is not visible here. This is because if you check the listeners, there is no, there should be at least one listener that has to be deployed onto your runtime. So if now I will try to deploy one of the listener process that I already have in my other environments. So if you just deploy it to the molecule, then ideally it has to be listed here. Okay, so it is listed. Now if you check the listeners, I'll refresh the listener. Once the deployment is done successfully, the listener port will become active, and that should show the listener port as well. Now let us check the run the same command and see if 9090 port is visible. Okay, now you see it here, right? 9090 port is visible after deploying at least one listener in the runtime. Thanks for listening this video to this and have a nice day ahead.